fool. A grade A pass at rap reform school. Unspeakable acts that leave crews disgrace. In fact, you can't rap too late to save face. Out black, drug hacking, pigeonholes. Break the most, left by the unoriginal.
You can't manacle me, I'm mechanical. Hannibal planning, but I'm no cannibal mammal. I'm indiscreet, expose the weak. Like the days it took in London, they change the way you speak. You conform to function among the over-hungry. Just because you think we're coming from the country, don't confront me.
We got the funk like stench on tramp. Won't take a diss from fellas who never die. Think we'll sink after the big splash. Aspects entertain, always rally for cash. I think most lads, fads we outlast. A new school vision with the ethics of past.
Listen and feel your drum patterns, and above all, keep a steady tempo. 1, 2, 3,
Let me give you a top tip. Hit service stations and shoplift. I've lost it like teens on a golf trip. Obnoxious, but yes, yes, in my boxer, she's topless. Eating from a big bag of Watsons with chopsticks. Got a nibble in my top lip. Fan your skin flick, wants me to watch it. Now cop this, I'm nearly like a mosh pit. You get rushed like past when I pop it. You best see it up like a cockpit. Exactly right as some pliers in my pocket. To leave you cash treated and cop this. Intoxicated, triple optic. You see three, that's more than Cyclops did. Consider it luck if you got this. I got bit by a style you adopted. Drop kick, steel toes to the coccyx. What's this? Full bags you concocted. None better than the specs on the quantic.
play this record through until you become proficient enough to play a solo like this. Good luck.